Hi, Michelle Seitz here. You're watching Book Formatting, Part 2, Page Setup. Here's the scenario. If you watched Part 1, you already learned how to set up the styles for your book. Now you need to set up the margins, page size, page numbers, and tabs in the header. A special thanks to Daria Ann G. Giovanni for allowing me to utilize excerpts from her book, Order Signs. Watch this video to learn how to do this. When you set up the margins correctly first, it will make the headers and footers much easier. Go to File, Page Setup. Decide what the best margins and gutters you want for this particular book. Is this a book that will be paperback, larger novel, or ebook? For hard copy and paperback books, you will want mirror margins so that the binding won't obscure the text. Keep in mind the readability and overall look of the pages. The size of the book will determine the margins. Here are 5 common book sizes. I will use the formatting for mirror margins in this video for a 6x9 paperback book. Start on the Margins tab. Enter the margins and gutter. If the gutter position is active, select Left. In the Pages section, select Mirror Margins. In the Apply To field, select Whole Document if it's not already selected. On the Paper tab, create a custom size by entering the numbers in the Width and Height fields. Make sure the Apply To field is Whole Document. On the Layout tab, in the Headers and Footers section, put a check mark in Different Odd and Even and Different First Page. I will leave the From Edge section for the header and footer at 0.5. Click OK. Click in the header if you have one. If not, go to the View tab and select Header and Footer. I added some hard returns to my document, so now I have 3 pages. Since I edited the page setup with mirror margins and selected Different Odd and Even and Different First Page, I can see that the Word program entered tabs for the different first page header and footer and different tabs for the even and odd page headers. Since this is mirror margins, adjust your text for the odd pages to be aligned on the right margin. So now I want the header to have the name of the book on the even pages and the author's name on the odd pages. I'm going to clean up the tabs on my ruler and I'm going to enter a right tab for my odd page header. When I enter the text, Word will automatically put the name of the book and the author's name on the correct pages. If you want to add page numbers, you can do this either in the header or footer. If I wanted to add page numbers in the header, I would put my page numbers to be positioned on the outside of each page. So on the even number pages, I would enter my page number before the book title and enter the page number for the odd number pages at the end of the author's name. I will add a separator after the page number on the even pages and before the page number on the odd pages. Now, since your margins are set up for different odd and even pages and different first page, your page numbers will not be displayed on the chapter number pages, which are considered first page. So you might ask, how does the program know the chapter numbered pages are different first pages? Well, you have to enter a section break next page at the end of the previous section, and then the program will know to not display the header and footer. If you don't include a section break next page, the header and footer will be displayed. So if I entered a section break next page, you can see the header and footer are not displayed on the page after the section break. If I take the section break away, the header and footer will be displayed again. And that is the end of this section, Page Setup.